What's up, everybody? It's been a little bit, but it's also because by the hoodie, it's winter here. Um, Again, outside of Houston, Texas. But I figured, obviously wintertime, there's not a whole lot to talk about with plumerias, but I figured might as well show this. This is in our garage. This is a little rack that we have growing lights above. This is where we put all our babies. Now, nobody go and look and think I'm that crazy. I did not build this specifically for these. As you see, this moves around. This is actually, I built this into the ceiling because this is what I put the top to my SUV on during the summer. Obviously, I don't need it during the winter. So, ta-da! So this is what we do. So a lot of these, you'll see they still have leaves. Now, with that being said, normally I put this up closer to the grow lights, so I'll show you that afterwards. But my big key is I wanted to show you is it's not about like trying to keep these leaves growing right now necessarily. Where we see that, and actually a lot of these leaves have come back since we put them back in here because when it got cold, they all fell off. So, but even though, because this is in my garage, now my garage is attached to the house, so our garage tends to stay a little warm compared to if you're a detached garage. However, the big note that I want to say is this is more about later in the season, so winter. When we get closer to the end of January and things start to warm up, we still have cold days. When we start March, these start leafing out a lot sooner than they would if we would have just put them away and just left them in the dark. Now, again, we've done that too. It's just we had this, and I'm like, might as well use it during the winter for something. So I just installed some grow lights above it, and we put all our babies on this, and then I rack it up so I can still walk under it. Yeah, again, it's just a multi-use thing. Here, my helpers they don't get to come in the garage very often, so they're running all through stuff. So yeah, again, I just want to show an ideas of, again, this is a multi-use thing. I just decided let's put some grow lights on the roof, on the ceiling, and put the babies up here. That way we can roll them up, get them coming to life earlier than they normally would, because a lot of these will end up selling. So especially in springtime, it's hard when we go to like farmers markets and stuff to sell the stuff. It's hard to sell a little stick and tell people this stick's going to be beautiful. So that's why we try to get these growing, putting some leaves on before we get them out there. And then, yeah, it just helps these little guys do this. It's just one little tidbit I just want to show everybody. Again, try to come up with other things during the winter to talk about with plumerias. So I thought, might as well show y'all my little contraption in here. So yeah, couple grow lights, this rack. I'll show you in a second here how I roll it up. And yeah, give me 1 second. I'll show you the roll up. All right, so y'all can see just, again, not what this was meant for, but, and then I just roll these up to the grow lights. Let me put that up so you can actually see a little more of the grow lights. I want to shine. And I just put these up, put them up as the tallest one I can get. That way they're close. You don't want things too far from grow lights. You need them pretty close. Can't have them 3 feet away. They don't do a whole lot. Go a little bit taller because I want to be able to walk on. Oh, nope, can't go. That's it. All right. There it is. So yeah, so here's my little grow light setup. And here you can see a lot of our others. The helpers checking things out, making sure I'm doing everything right. All right. So again, I just want to give people an idea, different things we do. And again, it's the winter. Not a lot to talk about with plumerias. So if y'all have ideas or questions, send them my way. If you like them, please thumb up, subscribe. Love to have more subscribers to know people even enjoy what I'm doing, because I enjoy doing it. So, but until next time, y'all have a great day. All right. So again, just a couple little tidbits of how we do things and where we store all our babies and what we do with the little guys. So again, if you enjoy the videos, please give a thumbs up. Subscribe would be great. I want to know that I'm helping people out. I enjoy doing this. So until next time, y'all have a great day.